I'm taking this video to explain to you. Sometimes when you switch on the machine,
开吧。
on each head, the green and the red lights are flickering like this. As you can see, on each head, the red and the green lights are flickering like this way, and it keeps flickering without any stop. So at this moment, what you need to check is the plug 7 on the CPU box. As you can see, I removed the plug 7 from the socket on the CPU box. Try to simulate the situation. Sometimes those pins on the socket on this plug are loose, and this wire, this cable is bit by rats. Okay, so the green and the red light on each head is flickering. What you need to do is to check this plug 7 and its cable. So now I put it back into the socket on the CPU box and turn off the machine, turn on the machine again. Okay, so the machine is now back to normal.